Okay, this is Justin with Mobility of Denver. Here's the 2019 Honda Pilot. This is a new vehicle with a new conversion. As you can see, it's really simple how nice it looks. It just looks like a lifted Pilot. That skirting is covered on the lower floor. And then you have the Nerf bar steps right there. It's a new car, like I said, so you got new tires. This is one of the only mobility conversions that actually has a trailer hitch on it. The back cargo area is here. They give you a fill kit. You do have the ability to have a spare tire here. It just kind of sits up in this area here though, so if you don't want to lug that around, that's why they give you the spare tire kit there. Those seats will fold down just to be flush with this here. Like I said, this is a new car, so there's not really any dings or dents or scratches. It's only got a few miles on it. It's got the fog lights and then the turn signal lights there. Okay, so then how the actual conversion works. They made this a reverse hinge door, so this door handle doesn't do anything. It's just there for looks. They disconnected it because when you open up this door, you can see there's a seam here. This whole B pillar actually comes out with the door. So originally the van or the vehicle would have had this B pillar be separate, but they actually cut it out and added it to the door here. That way when it opens, it's a reverse hinge door. Gives you a lot more room for the ramp. So then the ramp is manual. You just grab onto the handle here and slide it out, and then that ramp comes out there. So you got about 34 inches, and it's clear and unobstructed because you don't have that door frame there. This seat is removable here. It actually sits on the pedestal. So those wheels pop out, and you're able to get that out. So someone in a wheelchair can actually sit up front. This rear seat actually has a footrest that comes out. So while you're sitting there, you can set your feet. This has that nice dirt floor, so it's got good texture for wet wheelchair wheels. And then this is the EX model, so it comes with the touch screen. You've got your automatic climate control, you've got heated seats, you've got a bunch of different ports to be able to plug in smartphones. And then this is the modified shifter right there. And you've got all your buttons here, you know, Bluetooth, you can control different radio stations, all that kind of stuff. So very, very nice setup. We sell a lot of these Honda Pilots because it's a wheelchair accessible SUV rather than a minivan. So a lot of people in Colorado here like that style. And then there's a big reverse hinged gas prop support. So it's not going to blow when the wind blows. It's not going to shut it. You have to kind of pull on it to get it to go. And then when you close it, that's it. What's nice too is this has an advanced entry keyless remote. So that's what it looks like here. So you actually don't have to take this out. You can actually push here to lock the car. And then when you reach in, see that black? When you reach in, you're actually touching a touchpad to be able to unlock the vehicle. So that's how that works. Nice new Honda Pilot. 3-year 36 bumper to bumper warranty from Honda, 3-year 36 conversion warranty, and then 5-year 60 powertrain warranty from Honda. So good setup. I don't think you'll go wrong with either. Thank you.